Deanna Maurice, weekly craft and lifestyle content. Hey guys, what's up? It's Deanna. Today I have a studio vlog for you all. I have a large order that's due this weekend, so I wanted to share with you all the process of what it takes for me to get these things put together for my Etsy shop. I have some shirts, some stickers, and some vinyl transfers that I need to get done, so I really wanted to share it with you all. I'm also going to be sharing with you all the space that I'm working from today, which is the kitchen in my home, because I know there's a lot of people who want to start an Etsy shop, but they are like, oh, I don't have enough space to do what I need to do, this, that, and that. Stop putting excuses in front of yourself. I have been doing it for such a long time, but I'm making do with what I have right now until the Lord blesses me with my own, house with a nice, beautiful studio in it. I'm going to work with what I have until I could get to where I want. Okay, so let me show you guys my setup for today. Okay guys, so this is where I'm working today. This is my dining room table, and then I just put my craft table over there. And the reason why I wanted to come out here is because this is a table that I usually craft on, and I'm going to be doing I'm doing a more large scale project, and so I just want to designate this entire table to cutting, since I'm going to be using my 12 by 24 sheet. My 12 by 24 mat to cut the things that I need to cut, and then I can use my dining room table and have more space to work and to kind of organize everything as I go. So here on my table I have my laptop. This is the laptop that I use to design everything on my Etsy shop, to edit my videos, everything. So my life is pretty much on this little laptop here. And then I have my planner on the desk. I just like to go through this. I'm not super intense like everyone else with their planner. I would love to be, but I'm not. But I do like to use it daily to kind of write down the things that I need, and kind of like little checklist. So that's that. And then here I just have some of the materials that I'm going to be using. And then up above I have it set up so that I could record for you guys, so that you guys can see. So over here on my countertop, I just have my extra cords that I need, like my external hard drive, my camera charger, a different tripod holder, some extra plugs. These things are great, guys, like when you have a Cricut and, different things that you need to plug in. I know it seems silly or really simple, but those are a great thing to have. And then I have some other supplies. One thing that I definitely need whenever I am working is a glass of water. For some reason I get really thirsty, so that's there. And then down here on the floor I have my shirts that I'm gonna be working on. And yeah, so this is the setup for today. Nothing super fabulous or glamorous, but it'll get the job done, and it gives me the additional space that I need to get some things done. First things first, I'm going to put my phone on sleep mode so that I will not be disturbed. My husband's still home. He hasn't head out to work yet. So by any chance that anyone in this world that would possibly really need me needs to contact me, they'll call him if it's an emergency. I just need to do that so that I can focus and actually get to do some of these things. Today is Tuesday, so it's my shorter day. My son has speech therapy in the evening, and some of these supplies just got in not too long ago, so I really just need to use this time to focus and get work done. Yep. Okay. First thing that people like to do is check their emails, but I'm not going to do that yet because I have a lot of cutting that needs to get done. I have 30 shirts and, like I said, stickers and vinyl transfers and that sort of thing. So I'm not gonna check my emails yet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a chart to help me organize the shirts that I have. They have like different designs on them. They're for birthday parties, so they all say, Miss Wonderful, but then it says like mother of, father of, grandma of, auntie of. And so there's several replicas like with the aunties and the cousins and things like that. So I just need to go in and make a size chart with the different names so that I can just then go ahead and organize the shirts out, and then have the images cut, and then I can put them on, and I think it'll just go a lot smoother that way. paper, and here goes my list that I just printed out. I printed it out on black and white actually to save some ink, but what I'm going to do is just highlight the kids section. I don't see my onesies, so those are probably coming in a different order. I have to check. So I made labels to coordinate with each stack of shirts so that when I went to apply my transfer, I would know exactly what transfer belongs on what shirt. It just made it a lot easier that way. Hey guys, I know I'm looking rusty, crusty, and dusty, but when I first started this studio vlog, it was around noon. Now it's after 10 p.m. at night, and this is how I have to work. I have to work in like patches because today, Tuesdays and Wednesdays are our busy days. On Tuesdays, like I told you guys earlier, my son has speech therapy, so I'm limited on time, but because I have so many shirts that I need to get done, that's fine. This is quiet time. Since they're in bed, I'm gonna work on it, and that's the great thing about doing stuff that you really love. Like, I actually don't mind doing this kind of stuff. It's therapeutic and I enjoy it. Yeah, so I'm going to continue weeding out some things that I've already cut and continue cutting. I'm probably going to press tomorrow, so yeah. To stack my pre-weeded vinyls on top of one another. It saves space, and if you're not leaving them like that for a long time, like I only left it like this overnight, I would say that it's pretty safe to do. I didn't have any problems doing this, so yeah, try it out. Another day. I have now weeded everything, and I have everything cut out. I mean, obviously, since it's weeded, right? So now I'm getting ready to press. So I'm gonna just fold my vinyl and try to find the best middle point. And the good thing is that these shirts are already kind of pressed on the center, so that helps me out. For 15 seconds, I am going to hold this down in place. my client wanted me to create some vinyl decals for her daughter's party to use on tables and backdrops. And so here I'm just weeding them out, and I'm going to be applying the transfer tape and just having it set up so that once she pulls it out of the box, it'll be ready to go, and it'll be a simple application for her. I'm going to share with you guys what her intention is for them with a sample image. If you guys have been on Instagram, you guys have seen this going around. It's super trendy to have your vinyl transfers on your backdrop or on a like cylinder acrylic table. So the final step of this order is to put it all together in a package. Now your packaging does not have to be expensive, but it does have to look good. You have to remember, not because it's handmade, you want it to look like it was whipped up in your kitchen or in your basement. No, you want to provide an experience for your client or your customer. When they open your package, they should feel joy. So just put a little bit of time and attention to detail when putting it together. And then you also want to make sure that your contact information is in there, and a slip confirming what they ordered is in there as well. A lot of times our information when you are a seller on Etsy can get lost in translation, and when a guest goes to a party, they say, hey, I really love those shirts or this particular thing, and all your client's probably going to say is, oh, I got it off of Etsy. But if you make your branding visible and remind them in your packaging to say, hey, I got it off of Shop Week 24 on Etsy, that makes a difference. And then your potential clients know exactly what to search for when they get on Etsy so that they can find your shop. So just remember to put a little bit more effort into your packaging and to help create an experience for your clients. Y'all, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe and leave me a comment as well. You can also check out my shop on Etsy. It is week 24. And this is Deanna Maurice reminding you to always have good vibes and stay blessed. Bye.